Whether you're seeking traditional banking services or private client services, you'll receive top quality care and attention from employees at Amerant Bank. But let's distinguish between these services offered. Oliviana Catron is SVP and Private Client Team Leader and is here to help us out. Oliviana, I love your name. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, let's get into these services that you offer. What does private client mean at Amerant Bank?
Sure. So private client really is focused on clients, if you think about it, that really need that high touch level of service. So we work with a ton of professionals, executives, high net worth individuals, families, foundations, but people that need to have a specific person to call versus an 800 number.
Sure, and you just gave examples of those clients and who you work with. And if you can just elaborate a little and tell us what their needs are, what are some of those important things that those types of people and entities need?
Sure. So I always say our lives change probably depends if you have teenagers, but every 3 months or so. What that means is that change is impacting your financial picture. So you're looking to expand your business, you're looking to send a kid to college, you're looking to add more to your retirement fund. Having a private advisor is really important when you're making those decisions.
What kinds of different services do they receive? And listen, I'm going to keep that 3-month thing in my head now because that's a good benchmark. It's so true.
Yes. So we have our own dedicated service team. So let's say you want to open a separate account, you're buying an investment property or a beautiful mountain home titled in an LLC or in a trust. We have a team that's dedicated to our clients. So again, they're not waiting long. We are very efficient. We turn things around quickly. And
you do that with collaboration with other parts and segments within the bank, within Amerant Bank. How do you work in a way that offers those seamless sort of service and care?
Sure. So Amerant is a $10 billion bank. We have about 700 or so employees. But we really are a family. We get to know each other. We know who to call when we are collaborating around individuals and families. So we build teams around our clients, which I think really sets us apart. And we know exactly how we're helping this family transition and continue to grow and make sure that they're set up appropriately.
You know what's cool? I was reading that Tampa is a relatively new market for you. So how are you introducing your services in this private client area?
Sure. Outside of being here,
yes,
we are really, I've been in the market for almost 13 years. So definitely reaching back out to our networks, right? So we have some really senior bankers on our team that have some really great relationships between nonprofit board involvement to CPA firms, law firms, because these are the people that are touching private clients on a regular basis. So just reaching back out to the advisors in our network.
Okay, so we've done a great job exploring the services you provide to your private clients, but what do you think you personally enjoy the most about what you receive yourself from working with them and sort of the feedback you get?
Yes. So my favorite thing of what I do is getting to know people. So I've, over the years, built really good relationships with families, and them calling me first for advice it's really special, actually.
I bet that just warms your heart that you're such a close advisor for them. So that's great in very important areas of life. Let's give our viewers all the information that they need to find out more about Amerant Bank and the services that you provide. There you go, amerantbank.com. And I so appreciate talking with you today, Oliviana. You did a wonderful job sharing all this information.
Thanks for having me. Have a great day.
You too.